From poorly balanced patches to overpriced skins and broken promises, Overwatch 2 seemed destined to fall short of its predecessor, and for a time it did fail. Its Steam reviews? Overwhelmingly negative. But wait, what's this? How did the reviews shift to mostly negative? Today, we'll explore why Overwatch 2 remains standing, with a thriving community, and why it seems almost impossible for the game to die. One of Blizzard's most controversial decisions was to abandon the much anticipated PvE mode, leaving fans shocked and disappointed. The developers argued that this choice would allow them to focus on improving the core game. Whether this gamble paid off remains a topic for debate, but it coincided with the release of new heroes like Venture, Malga, Juno, and Hazard. These fresh additions brought players back, eager to experiment and explore the game's ever-evolving meta. Overwatch's free-to-play model further enticed new players by creating a fear of missing out on limited-time events, cosmetics, and gameplay experiences. While these tactics faced skepticism, especially with complaints about the new hero's overpowered abilities, an undeniable pull kept players returning. I, too, found myself in this cycle and came to understand what keeps Overwatch 2 alive. Enter Participatory Culture. Participatory culture is a concept popularized by media scholar Dr. Henry Jenkins that describes a culture where consumers actively engage with and contribute to media rather than passively consuming it. This can involve creating fan art, fan fiction, and videos, or participating in discussions and collaborations. Such engagement fosters creativity, builds community, and transforms media consumption into an immersive and meaningful experience. In Overwatch's case, its vibrant participatory culture is a cornerstone of its resilience. The rise of inspirational creators like J3, Emong, and Flats demonstrates how individuals can shape the community. With custom workshops curated by members alongside tournaments hosted by big creators, Overwatch's community and culture just keeps on growing. Also, there's an elephant in the room that may be just a little bit concerning. Through participatory culture, Overwatch has cultivated a loyal fan base that persists despite Blizzard's controversial decisions and setbacks. This dynamic community has become the backbone of the game's longevity, ensuring it remains relevant in a competitive industry. My name's jhxu, and that's the end of today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!